Here I have Alcatel 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So if you notice that lately your device is a bit laggy, it works slowly, it doesn't respond to your commands or something else, what you can do about it to speed it up. You have the pre-installed application called Smart Manager. Open this app, wait for it to scan all of the things that can be optimized on your device, and as you can see, my device is not 100% working. I can optimize it, so I just tap this optimize button and it automatically restores all the features it can optimize in this moment, like memory usage, auto start and other things like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.